conversation about school cleaning and village cleaning.
Hello Sam, how are you?
I am okay. How are you?
Fine, but look, our school compound is very dirty. Can't we clean our school?
It will be good for all of us. How can we do it?
We can seek help from all students and teachers about it.
It's a good idea, but we must need a permission from our headmaster.
You are right. We will request him to bring some dustbin for our school.
There is a pandemic in our village. Dengue is increasing day by day.
It is due to the increasing of the number of mosquitoes.
Yes, our village is also getting dirty day by day.
We must think a solution for it. Otherwise, we can also fail ill.
Yes, we can talk to the head of the village about it.
It's a good idea. So now we have two tasks, cleaning the school and cleaning our own village.
Okay, let's go to the classroom. The class will start soon.
Okay, let's go.
Hello friends, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.